Let's check out this beautiful color combination, cosmic blue and light gray interior. This Mitsubishi color combination looks really, really good. And we can see, thankfully it's sunny day today, how the vehicle sparkles and how the paint changes its tone from when it hits the light versus the shadow part. So let's have a look at the front. Looks awesome from the front. You have the dynamic shield design, the chrome details and headlights really standing out really nicely. The gray underplate, or the bottom part of the bumper, stands out really well as well. This one has been equipped with this hood emblem Outlander. It's not chrome, but it gives you that feel that, like, you know, it's there, it's noticeable, but it's not very obvious. Let's have a look how it looks in the back and see. We can even see it from here. You can see the light gray interior already gives you a luxury looks. It's a very nice color combo, cosmic blue with the light gray. Okay, from the side, this line stands out a little bit with the chrome details and the roof line. The horizontal design on this part doesn't stand out all that much on this paint. There's some other colors that you'll have that a little bit more visible. The rims definitely look awesome on it. Let's have a look at the back, and again we can see how it changes from, like, you know, where there's shadow or like doesn't get directly the sunlight versus the sunlight right here. Let's have a look a little bit closer. Yeah, it has that metallic sparkle to it. Looks really well. The back looks awesome too. The tail light designs are there. Mitsubishi logo stands out quite a bit because it's chrome, and this bottom bumper part as well. So okay, let's have a look at the interior. We'll see how it looks. Okay, there we go. It's a light gray interior, and this is a fully loaded version GT. So you have the diamond stitching right here. Inside is really nice too. So you have the diamond stitching here and on the other side and on the second row as well. Gives you definitely a luxury feel throughout the vehicle. This one also has the panoramic sunroof. So you have the stitching over here. Soft materials used throughout. This one's upgraded with BOSE sound system. Start it up. Full LCD screen. Look at that. So this is the scroll that changes the controls, the driving settings. Very nice display. This one has also 360 camera. So it shows you the bird's eye view right here and the backup camera. Looks good. Heated steering wheel, dual climate system. Okay, let's have a look one more time how it looks from outside, because the interior is absolutely gorgeous. The second row is beautiful too. Let's have a look how it looks from the second row. Oh, there we go. So you have the steering wheel right here. You have this horizontal design. Very nice color combo. If you're thinking about getting this one, you can't go wrong. And now the sun came out of the clouds even more, so we can see how bright and nice the blue actually looks. So this is cosmic blue with light gray interior.